Tieesha, and I'm here at my local Home Depot, and I just wanted to do a quick video and talk to y'all about doors. Now, I saw this picture on social media and I was like, this is great. Well, I saw this picture on social media and I thought it'd be a great idea to talk to y'all about doors and safety. So I'm seeing a lot of people, they had new construction homes. Congrats to you. However, I'm noticing that they have the wrong locks on their doors. And for safety reasons, I'm going to show you which locks would be ideal for your safety. Now, I'm seeing a lot of people with this door here and they have this type of lock. Now, this type of lock, it's considered a deadbolt. However, it has one turn on one side and it has the key on the other side. With a door like this, I'll see that top deadbolt where all someone has to do to gain entry to your home is break out this glass, unlock your door, let themselves right on in, okay? That is not ideal. That's not what you want to do. This is not the correct lock for this type of door. If you do not want to replace the door, I ask that you replace the lock. This here is a 2-keyed deadbolt, okay? It requires a key on either side, which is ideal for this type of door. Someone can break this and they will not be able to just turn the latch and let themselves in, okay? So this will be the ideal lock type for your door like this. Now, one thing I want to point out when you're buying locks is that at a particular store, when you look at all the other packs that they have, you can turn to the back and it will give you a number. And if you wanted to have, you know, all of the locks in your home to have the same key, you would look for the matching number. However, you know, I try to buy my locks out of town so that when I come back into town, you know, the numbers are different so that there's not someone by chance walking around with a key to my home. Let me see if I can try to get this one. Got it. All of these are the same lock. However, that number I was telling you about, it matches for all of these here. So if you wanted all of your locks, you know, to have the same key without getting them rekeyed, you can do that so that one key fits all the locks. However, pay attention to the back of them as well, okay? So if the store has like a whole bunch of these, you know, yeah, it's a rare chance that, you know, someone can just pick your door out at random and get it. However, you want to make sure that you try to, you know, change it up a little bit. If you need to, you can get locks rekeyed as well for safety. I just went through all that, try to get those locks and show y'all. But the model door right here at Home Depot has it. The model has it right. So this is what you want for a lock on your glass doors, okay? This is ideal. So this would be the outside, and this here is the inside. I noticed what a lot of people do too, they'll just lock the handle and leave this unlocked, you know, granted, in case of an emergency, whatever, but you know, make sure that you should have a nightly routine where before you go to bed, ensure that all your doors are locked and you have a plan and you practice that plan in case of emergency, okay? Now, since we're on the topic of locks, and you may say, Tieesha, you know, if someone really wanted to get in, they can get in. Of course, unless this is like Fort Knox or a military installation, or you have a steel frame with cinder blocks around it, someone can get in. But the aim of the game is to give yourself some time to ensure your safety and to make it harder for those who are on the outside who shouldn't be in, come in, okay? Now, one thing I want to talk to you about now is the hardware that comes with your lock, the screws. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you, but the screws that they, you know, include in the lock kit are about that big. They really are just there for decoration to hold the lock on, but not to keep it on and to ensure that no one gets in. So I want to show you what you should also buy at the time you purchase your lock. Hopefully you can see this, but inside of this lock kit, these screws are really, really short. You wouldn't even need that much of a donkey kick to kick in the door. So over here, you want to look at the different screws. Like this here is a 2-inch screws, wood screws if you have a wood frame. And some other people, they go and they find the deck screws. You want to get a longer screw to ensure that that frame does not come off as easily.